Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Fiona. If you're new here, please consider joining the family by subscribing. Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that is very close to my heart. How do you get value for your money without compromising the nutrients that your body needs? Our bodies need food from each of these categories. Food is categorized into 5 groups: vegetables, fruits, grains, protein, dairy, and then oil from the natural fat. Vegetables. What do vegetables help our bodies? We need vegetables for our digestive system. It is better to eat leafy green and the red orange. Starchy vegetables have sugar that could lead to weight gain, so be careful. A little bit of that. Fruits. What do fruits help? The fruits help with our immune system, especially citrus fruits provide vitamin C that helps combat these illnesses like flu, cold, all that. So you need to incorporate this in your meals. How about grains? Grains are good to get for energy to our body. It is advisable to concentrate on the whole grain if you're eating bread or that. And then protein. Protein is good, is like a building block to our body. It helps grow and repair our bodies. So you can eat any of that. Beans are very good. Eggs, incorporate that in all your meals. Then dairy is good for our bones, so teeth, bones, all that. So I mean, you can drink milk in the morning in your cereal. How about oil? I'm talking about oil that comes from natural fat like avocados and nuts and all that. This helps store your energy. So it is a rainy day, very dull. It's very early in the morning, about 6 a.m. and we're going to the Kinyarwanda market to practice what we just learned. What do you buy when you reach at the market? This market is called Kinyarwanda market. It's a traditional market, and the inside opens at 7 a.m. but the outside is a free market where people just come and sell their stuff. When you reach there, people will be grabbing you and they want to help you with the shopping, and that's all right. These guys know the best deals on where to get what. So I worked with this guy and he kept on taking me to places and helping me lift things. You can see this is a big pumpkin, so you need help. You really need help. And yeah, one thing I like about this market is it has really fresh stuff. You can guarantee that these things just got from the farm probably just yesterday. So everything is fresh, as you can see. They only have produce, no dry stuff like rice. If you need all that, or meat, or I mean stuff like that are inside the market, which opens at 7. But this market has fresh ingredients. You're buying straight from ladies or men that are just coming from their villages. So I like to support such things. And another thing is, it's really cheaper than the market. So our staple foods, as you can see, so many green bananas. We eat a lot of green bananas. Okay, all this for 10,000.
Hello. When I get it, you'll be bravo.
Yeah, I'll be so surprised.
Got it!
Okay, how about this one? Okay.
This is my pumpkin.
What is this called?
Pumpkin.
Okay, pumpkin. And this one?
watermelon,
This one?
okay, avocado,
This one? Good job.
mango,
Okay.
cauliflower, carrot, green beans,
Perfect.
beef,
Good job.
eggs, onion,
Beans.
beans, ginger, garlic,
Eggplant.
eggplant, potato.
Yeah! Okay, so now you tell us. Okay, Mika, you tell. I promised my international community that I'm going to do a Kinyarwanda lesson. So here we go. Ibijumba. We don't have a Kinyarwanda word for watermelon, so we just call it watermelon as well. Avoka. It's called umwembe. Shufred. These green beans, imiteja. Carrot. Amaji. We call this ibitunguru. Tunguru sumu. And then I bought ginger for my African tea. We use this for African tea. We call this tangawizi. Ibishimbo. Inyama y'inka. In this video, I'm also going to show you grocery shopping tips. So having a budget. You need to have a budget. Researchers have shown and advise people to use at least only 10% of your disposable income. This includes the grocery shopping, but also includes the money that you use for going out. So if you're going out more, reduce that and as it can go into that budget. Making a list. Before I go for shopping, I usually first make a list of what I have in the inventory already. This will help you not buy stuff that you already have, but it will also help you reduce on the time, because you're going to make a list of now what you don't have, and together with what you already have in the store and what you have bought, I usually combine to make a weekly menu. Buying what is in season. This is very important. Usually when something is in season, it's going to taste better, but it's going to also be cheaper. Like right now, tomatoes are expensive in Rwanda, so you don't want to buy that. And then buying meat and dairy. These two easily go bad, which can make you sick, but they can also contaminate the food that you're buying. So save this for later so that you're going straight home and then never shop hungry. This might be funny, but you know that we are all guilty of putting a little bit more on our plates when you are hungry. The same psychology works. If you go to the market when you're hungry, you will end up buying more than you actually need. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned a little bit of more. See you guys later. Please subscribe and share to help your friends be able to learn all these important lessons. Goodbye. See you next week.